Y'all, ignore the moo-moo. You already know what's going on today. Today we're gonna be doing a little wig review video. It's Mooney. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, for real. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting on this channel. I've had it for so long, but I just appreciate the support nonetheless. Don't forget to follow my socials if you're interested. I have a TikTok and I have an Instagram. And don't forget to look into my business account because your girl launched a business. I got a business now. Big business. Yeah. I got businesses. Yeah. So honestly, there's no need for me to keep on talking when I could be showing y'all this gorgeous wig and how I got it to look this way. So yeah, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. You already know what the fuck going on. As you can see, I'm already glammed up, and that's because I'm going to a party. Because let me find out. Because I thought somebody was pulling up. I was about to say. I'm already glammed up because I'm going to a party with a friend. It's been a while since I went out anyways, so your girl needs to be outside. Based off the title of this video, we're gonna be reviewing this wig, and the name of the company will be put somewhere on the screen. And this is it right here. It's a curly lock afro wig. So like, I have not tried a wig like this on like for a minute, and it comes with a black wig cap, which honestly I've never had before. So this is actually gonna be, maybe I can make like a shiesty out of it or something. That's right. And then it comes with these like lashes. Y'all know all wigs come with lashes, so you know that's really cool. So it's already unpackaged, it's wrapped. Fresh out the package, this is what we're looking like. And the combs, it comes with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And I'm gonna let y'all know how it fits. I'm gonna shake it a bit because a lot of these wigs, especially if they're curly, it's mandatory to shake it at least a little bit. So now that I shook it, now I'm gonna go and put it on. They also have adjustable straps, which is really good. Okay. So this is like a natural ass wig. Like, this is the natural. Is it big head friendly? I want to say so. And also you can comb at it and brush it. So I'm gonna brush it a bit. Actually, let me comb it a bit to make it more voluminous. I'm gonna comb the front, I'm just adding more volume, to be honest. It is so cute. Like, y'all can't lie. Like, if you're looking for a natural wig that's giving you natural, I'm gonna go with this. Like, seriously, it's literally just a wig that you pop on and go. Like, it is styled already for you. And I'm pretty sure you can put water in it also and stuff like that. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is how it's looking like. I'm gonna give y'all a 360 real quick. Ignore my towel. I'm fresh out the shower. Can y'all see the back? Can y'all see it? Right? It's cute. Y'all can't lie. Like, this wig, I feel like it's for it girls only. Like, you know, do a little shake. It's so cute, y'all. Like, it just looks really natural. I was gonna brush it, but I can't find the brush that I was gonna use to brush it. I love my wigs when they're voluminous. The way it looks, some parts will be on the frizzier side, and then some parts will be on the curly side. You can bring it up to your eyebrows as much as you want. I prefer to keep it that way. I already don't have eyebrows. You can also bring it back as far as you want. So whichever one looks good on me, y'all let me know down in the comments, but I prefer to have it like a little bit up front. Like, it's just so cute. Like, this is cute. And it kind of reminds me of like a really curly afro mullet. Like, I don't know if y'all are seeing the vision or seeing what I'm talking about, but it's kind of giving me that vibe. And nowadays, a lot of wigs are coming pre-styled, and everybody wants a pre-styled wig. Nobody wants to sit here and fight to the death styling a wig. All I do is put a little comb through it and stuff like that. Don't take my word for it, but I think it comes in other colors. I think. If it doesn't, it should, because this would be cute and blonde. Guys, y'all know this. Like, in a 613 color, like, the world would not be able to speak to me. This is what it looks like up close. It's just really natural, and I just love that. I love how natural it is. That's the main thing I was aiming for. I need some more natural wigs, especially. Like, I need another afro wig. If you guys don't know, I do have a few other wigs on my channel that y'all could go check out and enjoy and things like that. I need to promote more natural wigs on my channel. So I'm glad this company wanted to work with me and, you know, give me the chance to show y'all this beautiful wig, because I love the hair pattern. It's really thick, so you don't have to be worrying about tracks being shown and things like that. Very lightweight, and it feels my head. You know how some wigs, they just be like so tight, you walk around like, Like, no, this hair is lightweight. The best part is it won't feel like it's gonna fly off. That's what the combs are for. So if you have, y'all, I got a pose for y'all so y'all can really see the vision. I feel like y'all not seeing it. Like, y'all better be seeing the vision. It's cute. Like, I love it. Like I said before, I don't have any wigs like this in my possession already, except that one lock wig I had, but it's way longer than this one. So like, this is my first short natural wig. I'm not sure if you wanted to style it, how you go about it. I feel like head wraps could be your best friend, maybe. Maybe get a little wrap and then wrap the front and, you know, have the front sticking out to make bangs and stuff like that. But y'all, this is so classy. Everything will be linked in the description box so you guys can go shop too. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it or you have any questions, leave a like or a comment. I'd really appreciate it. We're on the way to 1,100 subscribers, and we're like so close to that, guys. To like share this video, share it with your friends and family and things like that. Anybody who's interested in getting a natural hair wig and then need a new natural hair wig, I put them on. Send them to me and I will get them straight. I promise you. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I'll see you guys next time, and stay tuned with Mooney, y'all. Bye.